of love and unity. On Republic Day we sing with pride. For justice and peace we stand side by side. Republic Day Parade. The soldiers march left and right, with colors flying high and bright. On January 26 we celebrate India's freedom, strong and great. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, let's all say we honor our nation on this day. With saffron, white and green, so true, our flag flies high for me and you. India is our pride. India is our pride, our heart, our soul. Together we work to reach our goal. On Republic Day we promise to be the best we can for our country. Three colors in the sky, three colors in the sky, flying high. Saffron, white and green go by. Peace and courage, truth in view. Happy Republic Day to you. Three colors in the sky, three colors in the sky, flying high. Saffron, white and green go by. Peace and courage, truth in view. Happy Republic Day to you.
Happy Republic Day. Let's celebrate the spirit of unity and freedom. Be proud to be an Indian. On this Republic Day, remember that you are the future of our nation. Keep learning and growing to make India shine. Let's honor the bravery of our freedom fighters and celebrate the greatness of our Constitution.
Hi my dear kidsies, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Also like and share it. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye bye.